Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos and I'm in Miami, Florida, and it is muggy as hell and I'm dripping and my socks are getting wet. That's how bad it drips. Anyway, I'm at Wynwood Wall. Can you see that, Wynwood Walls? I don't even know, but it's all this art on the walls. I think the guy said this was the oldest black neighborhood in Miami, and they're, you know, doing this just to drive tourists to here and everything else. But let's go take a look and we'll see it together. Do it. So again, Wynwood Walls, Wynwood Walls, and then there's just all sorts of stuff in here. But let's go in here. There's a door over here, but everything is painted. So you can see Sweet Green over there and Nerds, and I mean all the buildings are, you know, 9 frozen margaritas, I don't know, and then a smoke shop and everything else. But oh, maybe you can't get in this way, huh? Well, maybe it's you have to buy a ticket or something? I have not a clue. But all the buildings, that one back there, are all painted and all that stuff. Well, let me stop recording and I will see if I can find an entrance. Bye, everybody. All right, well, Eric didn't do his research very good. It says museum entrance, Wynwood Walls. It opens at 10:30 and it's 8:30. So Eric, Joey's Wynwood. Well, I guess we'll walk around the block and show you everything I can possibly show you, and then onward and upward. We got to get to Little Havana. But you can see the paintings on the side of the building are amazing, and all of them are amazing. Look at that. I mean, that's incredible. You know? Wow. That's a lot of work to make those paintings happen. Wow, that's terrible noise. Yeah, those paintings up there on murals, I guess, are amazing. Oh, look at this. Wow. I don't know if this is open, but the gate was open, so I'm going to go until they yell at me, I guess. Wow. Amazing. Wow. Pretty amazing. Wow, that looks amazing too. Anime. Huh. Wow. Huh. Pretty amazing. Oh, that's neat. They make a bench out of a tread from a tractor. Oh, and this is an X-ray. Oh, it's a hand spray painting, you know, with a spray paint can. That's pretty cool. Wynwood doors. Wow. Man, these paintings are amazing. Look at that. That's incredible. You know, with spray paint, that's a whole nother story. Wow. Wow, wow. Yeah, amazing. Well, nobody's yelled at me yet, so I guess I'll keep going until I get the the sign. Wow. Can you imagine doing this with spray paint? I saw a building that had spray paint classes, which was pretty amazing. Huh. Wow, and the flowers are amazing. Wow, wow. Oh, look in there too. That's pretty amazing. Oh, and there's sculptures too. That's unique. And then here's a sculpture and all sorts of other sculptures. Wow. Dan Lamb 2023. Huh. Wow, let's go through those doors and see what we get. And again, nobody, oh, this is gallery street art experience. Be the change. Wow, that's amazing. Yeah, incredible. I'm going to recenter my camera real quick just so I'm on the same page. Make sure I'm trying to keep everything level. And this says Mike Keel. Wow. Street art experience. Look at those paintings too. Wow. Huh. Boy, it goes on and on and on. Look at that building in the back there. Can you see it in the background? You probably can't see it, but wow, amazing. And it's all over the neighborhood. So this is outside of there. And look at that building back there. That's pretty amazing. Well, I guess I better get out of here before they find me walking in here alone and yell at me. But it's certainly amazing, isn't it? Wow. Huh. Can you imagine painting that with a spray can? Yeah, me too. Greg Mike's murals is currently undergoing repair. No. Wow. You know, look at the side of that building. Can you see it? I mean, it goes all the way up there, but it's all green and orange and yellow and red, and it's just crazy. Neat. Huh. Interesting. She's hooking up the planet to, I don't know, something. An engine, little man working on an engine for the planet. Interesting. And then on the ground, it looks like a gear or something. Huh. Wow. Very cool. All right, everybody. I'm sure there is absolutely much more to see, but again, I honestly don't think they're open. Look at that building back there. Huh. Wow, wow. And the subway's cool too. Schwarzenegger, Godzilla. Oh, I used to love that show, Black Rain. You ever seen Black Rain with what's his name and that other guy? Yeah, those two. Yes.
The museum's closed right now.
Oh, is it closed?
Yeah. How'd you guys enter?
I just walked in that door over there.
Oh, it's probably open.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No, you're good.
I was just walking. Guys, it's amazing.
I mean,
Is it a museum?
Yeah, this you gotta see it for free.
Okay, kick me out. I'm good. Thank you. Wow, amazing.
Because it was happening when they were cutting the bushes and stuff.
I guess so. I just walked in. All right, so now I've been ejected from the museum, but the whole area is covered. So you can see this whole wall is covered, and Barcelona, that building over there, is covered. But look at this one. Oh my gosh. That's amazing. Can we even see it really? Gosh, that sun behind it doesn't help. I need to get it from the other direction, but it's a shark and a scuba diver, which is pretty amazing. I don't know if you can see it very good, but I'm trying. Huh, okay. And then on all of these other sides, there's all these other ones too. How you doing? Wow. And that building back there, the Wynwood Garage. That's pretty cool. Wow. I guess I want to get some pictures of these. Hang on a second. Let me get my camera out and I'll get a little closer to these for you. Neat. And the little fish. And the bunny rabbit. Is it a bunny rabbit in the diamond mine? No, I don't have any idea what that is. But it's something. Huh. Yeah. The whole area is pretty amazing. So, and then over here is that private gallery, but this looks like it dropped a bus load of tourists off over here. Let's go over this way and we'll take a look again. And I like that hand too. That's amazing. Huh. Wow. And that's that garage, which is pretty crazy paint job. You know, it gets tourists here. It makes money. That's what counts, right? Bring money to the community. Wow. Well, this goes, oh my gosh, look at back in here. This is crazy. Huh. Even the building is covered. Oh, and look up there. The robot and the scuba diver up in that corner. And the butterfly. And the wall. Amazing. I'll get to the other side and I'll shoot this side I'm standing against. Oh, that's a pretty picture too. But I'll do that in a second. Wow. Tourists. Good morning. Wow. So let me get to the other side and you can see it. Even the trash cans have murals. Futa. Oh my. Hoo-ha, hoo-ha. Stinky, stinky. Very cool. Wow. How you doing?
Are you from the cruise?
I am on the cruise.
Which one?
The Princess?
Oh, Princess.
You guys too?
Yeah.
Yeah.
To Sydney?
To Sydney, yeah.
Yeah, very nice. And the paintings are amazing. This one's incredible.
Very
Unique.
and colorful.
Yes. Very colorful. Inside the park is really nice. You can go around and get inside.
Oh, go around.
Go
Get
inside.
You go around this way and around, and there's an entrance, but I don't think they open until 10.
Oh, but we'll see most of it.
Yes, and I'm doing a video. I do YouTube videos, so this will be on YouTube. So all of this, you will be on YouTube.
Owner. Beautiful.
Yes, very amazing. Okay, everybody, I'm going on. Bye.